Since opening in 1910, the Kentucky State Capitol has served as the heart of state government in Frankfort. But now, over 115 years later, the landmark is undergoing its first full-scale renovation in 7 decades. This sweeping revitalization began in 2022, when the General Assembly approved nearly $300 million in funding for a multi-phase project. Much of the work is focused on preserving the Capitol dome's structural integrity. The 80-year-old terracotta tiles on the dome are being entirely replaced. Waterproofing and structural enhancements are underway, and crews are removing decades of algae and buildup from the exterior. These changes seek to restore the dome's beauty and protect it for future generations. However, the ambitious renovation extends far beyond the dome. Also included are much-needed modernization efforts covering everything from essential infrastructure, HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems, to ADA accessibility improvements, including wider elevators and more efficient navigation for visitors and employees alike. Safety is also a major focus, including the installation of modern fire suppression systems, fire-rated egress stairs, and updated security protocols. To make these renovations possible, lawmakers and state officials relocated from the Capitol building to other work facilities in Frankfort. The historic handcrafted desks used by legislators during session were carefully packed and transported to the newly built temporary chambers, which have been constructed to ensure that legislative sessions continue without interruption. Located near the Capitol Annex and occupying more than 26,000 square feet, this temporary facility provides the House and Senate with nearly the same amount of floor space that members have enjoyed in the historic chambers. In fact, the desks for lawmakers are arranged in the exact same pattern used in the Capitol. Along with the chambers, each wing of the temporary structure provides space for clerks, majority and minority leadership offices, caucus rooms, and restrooms. A common area between the chambers offers space for bill processing and tracking, enrollment and engrossment, revisers, information technology, and for production of the legislative record. As with any large, historically sensitive project, unexpected challenges are likely, but officials project reopening the building ahead of the 2029 legislative session. Once the renovations are complete, the People's House will stand strong for another century, reaffirming that the Capitol belongs not only to today's Kentuckians, but to the generations still to come.